Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. So on this channel, we do product reviews, also some tutorials. Once you support the channel, go check out my ebook and www.mansetthemselfonfire.com. All right, so let's go ahead and get started, guys. Fresh back from vacation, got a lot of catching up to do. Some work to do in the studio or whatever, but some great things coming to you guys. Now, one of the things I want to do right off the back is I want to show you guys exactly how you can go and buy the video course. So while I was on vacation, a couple of students brought it, but unfortunately the promo price is $65 is no longer. It's at $100. The original price is $200. I kept it at $100. I'm going back up to $200 when I dropped my other video course of how to create a ebook and monetize it. Then I'm going to raise the price of this one. But because I'm so far behind, I got a lot of reviews coming. I got a couple of IPTV reviews coming, some speaker reviews coming, air fryer review coming, guys. I got so many things lined up for the channel, but I just want to take this time just to show you why it's at $100, to show you exactly how to buy the video course. That way you can start your journey, your six-figure journey. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into it right quick. All right, so here we go. All right, so what you want to do, guys, if you want to come here, you just type www.sixfigurejourneys, that's plural.com. It's going to bring you here. Now you got to put your email and your name in there. So once you put your email and your name, you click right there. It's going to give you access to this page, and you can see where it's $200. Then I went to $65 for the promo. Of course, that's no longer, so it's $100. The countdown. So go ahead and click you want to buy it. Now it's gonna offer you the video on how to get an LLC. That video is $20, how you can set up an LLC. Now, full disclosure, I'm not a lawyer, I'm not an accountant, but I set up my own LLC, and basically what I'm showing you is exactly what I did according to the laws of Louisiana, but it's similar throughout the country. Now, if you're not comfortable doing it, then, you know, of course you can hire a lawyer or whatever to set up your LLC. There's many ways to set it up. This is just the way that I set up my current LLC that I have. All right, so you can go ahead and you can get that. That's $20. But if not, you just want to go to the course, no thanks, take me to the course. You click right there, and it's going to bring you here to the course. And this is going to give you an entry of what the course is about. You can come right here, you can buy. All right, so you click buy, you put in your information. You can pay by PayPal, or you can put in your card information, and boom. Now after you buy, you're going to get a login. It's going to allow you to log in into all of the courses, and this is how it's going to look when you get into the courses. All right, so once you log in, guys, you're going to be greeted with this intro, and this intro is basically going to show you how to use the attachments. And you can see that it's 3 modules, right? The first module is the credit. You can see when you see 12 files, that's the attachments. And then the second module is how to acquire your skills quickly and earn money, where I walk you through how you can go and get Google certified, get some certifications from Google, and then I show you exactly how you can take those certifications, which can be achieved, guys, within a day. Just depending on what certifications you want, and you can bring the certifications onto these platforms that I show you in the video, and you can monetize yourself, and you can make up to $700. I say up, but you can make whatever you want. $700 per hour, not per project, per hour, guys. It just depends on your skills, how good you is, but you can make some bank. So that's the video 2 module, and then the third module have 6 attachments, and I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing now to make money, right? And what I'm looking to do to make money in the future. And you can see these are all of the documents that you're able to download. Same thing for the credit files. You can see that these are all of the documents that you're able to download, guys. Basically what you're going to need to get started. And that's basically it. So for $100, you're getting all of this. All of these documents. You also is going to get the video of how I'm doing the hotspots. So the hotspot videos that I sell for $100 is 2 videos. You're going to be getting that free in this video course. It's going to be in one of these attachments. So yes, right now it's $100. Get it while it lasts. It's your boy taking a bath. I'm gonna take next time. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Tons of things to do. I'm so far behind from vacation, but I'm here. I'm back. So let's get it in. Get this, guys, before it go up to $200. And I will be working on to show you exactly how you can create an ebook and monetize it. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.